This is how to make a squishy out of paper. First, you get coloring materials. First, you do the outline of it. You can make it round. When you're done with that color, the body with any color that you like and cover the whole thing. You can cover the whole thing and do not overlap it with the outline. Always do it slow so it can be nice. You should always be careful with drawing it so it can be cute or something that you will like. When you're done, I will tell you what to do next. Next, you need to get another color. If you added something for the belly, keep it like that and get your favorite color. And then cover the whole thing, but do not overlap it with the lines still. Always make it nice and pretty. When you're done with that, we will draw the ears. Always make it nice and also add hair if you like to. And color in some of it. When you're done with that, you can draw the hair, like color in it. I choose the color red because it's my third favorite color. When you're done with that, put some outlines in it, like only if you want to. Also put a name. And then we will draw the eyes, make a circle, and then put another one inside. Color the outside of the pupil black. And when you're done coloring it in, draw eyelashes a little bit long and also put some at the top. You also should do it at the other side if you want to. When you're done with that, also make the eyelashes and also the one on top. After that, you should make a mouth. Also make it black. When you're done with that, you should color the ears. Color all of the ears with the same color that you used at the start. Also, don't leave any white spaces, but if you do, you can correct it. And also do the other side the same color if you want to. Also make the other side nice like the other one. When you're done with the last one, you color the back side when you're done with the eyes. And then with the paper until you get it all out. When you're done with that, get another one and then rip it. Next, you will put the paper with your squishy drawing on top, like at the bottom of it, and then cut it with any scissors, but always be careful, it might hurt you. I'm still getting the scissors. When I'm done getting the scissors, we will cut it. Now let's cut it. Cut it, but do not cut over it. Like if you want some white lines, you can like go a little bit further than the other line. And also be careful of cutting it. You might hurt yourself or it might cut the squishy. Sometimes this might take a while, so I'm trying to cut it as fast as I can. So every time you cut it, always make it nice and good. So when I'm done, we will color the back side. And I'm almost done cutting it now. Always cut it slowly, it might hurt you. I think it's already almost done, so I will tell you the next step later when I'm done. Now I'm already almost done. Now I already have both of them. Always now cut the ears at the back side without the joint because we don't need those ones. And also cut the hair at the top if you have. And always make sure it's the same size. Now we are already done with that. Now we are gonna color the back, but I'm gonna color it with the light blue that I used earlier for the skin. You also can put another color there if you don't want it to be the same color. And do not do it if on a table without something at the back, if it would stain or bleed through it. Also, always take your time doing it so it can be prettier and nicer. You also can add other colors or mixing all of them up. Now I'm already done, and also double check if you did anything wrong. Now you cut in a straight line. Sometimes you can make it a little bit big because sometimes we might use the sides. And when we're done with that, get some tape and then get a long piece that is the same with the paper. And when you're done cutting it, make another one for the bottom part. I'm already done with the top one, so we're gonna do the bottom. Sometimes tape might be sticky, so be careful with the other paper. Now I'm gonna do the next one. I'm almost done cutting the next one now. Always cut it slowly or because sometimes it might cut yourself. Now I'm already done making both of the parts. Now it's time to put the part with the tape. And first put the part with the tape with the paper. And when you are doing the corners, cut it at the edge that is like where you cannot put it at. Now you put it at the other side. When you're done with that, cut the other side and then also do it with the others. When you're done with that, you will put the other side on. And always be careful if you have sharp objects while you're cutting. So ask a guardian or family member. And when I'm done putting the side in here, so I'm almost done. So when I'm done with that, I will put the front of the face. So this is gonna take a while because it's not that easy because I have a really short paper. And now I will put the face on. Also be careful when you're doing that part because that part might be tricky for you. So when you're done with that, I will tell you the next step. Now it's already a little bit too hard for me is because it's a little bit too sticky there. Now I'm already almost done, so I'm going to tell it to you like in seconds or minutes. Now we are done. Now let's get cotton from the pillow. When you're done getting cotton from the pillow, you can use anything or you can use some plastic. Now we will put it in, but just put a little bit more if it's a little bit too low. Now I will get some more. I'm already done with that. Now I will try to fix something now. So it's a little bit too low, so I'm just gonna add some more. Now I'm done with that, and now you will get another piece of paper, but just use the same one and then cut it to a little triangle piece but small. And put it on the part where you put the cotton in. And also tape it in both sides so it couldn't go out. Also add some at the sides. Now I am gonna find some more tape to add at the side. Now I'm done with that, and that is how to make a squishy metal to paper put in Shopify. Please like and subscribe. Bye.